Good morning children, welcome back to our maths class. Today let us study word problem of chapter 4. We are here in chapter 4, subtraction exercise 4J. Word problem, we call that one more name, that is story problem. When you are getting a story, we have to explain and find the solution. That is called the word problem or story problem. When you go through your example from the textbook, you can see. In example, first one story is giving you about a school. In a school, there are total number of children, and in between some children are living, and end of the session again adding some children. This how to go through. These are we are explaining from. Now let us see exercise 4J. Directly we are going to see exercise 4J. The example given in the book you can read and understand. Now let us explain. Here I am going to read the question. Question 1. A toy shop had 8,336 toys. खिलौने की दुकान में 8,336 खिलौने थे. It sold 2,572 toys in 1 month. एक महीने में वो 2,572 बेच दिया. And 3,136 toys in the second month. दूसरा महीने में 3,136 toys बेच दिया. तो अभी लास्ट में देखिए, how many toys were left in the shop. Now we have to find out how many toys were left in the shop. So solution I have made here. Total, first step we will write total number of toys. Total number of toys, there are 8,336 toys. Then number of toys sold in all. एक एक करके हम लोग नहीं लिख रहे हैं तो बहुत ज्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा. तो now what we will do, number of toys sold in all. That means पूरा मिला के हम लोग कितना टॉयज बेच दिया दोनों महीने में. Now here we have to add and find out how many they have already sold. Now let us add and find out 6 plus 2. We will get as 8. 7 plus 3 we will get as 10, and 1 carry. 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 carry 7. And here 3 plus 2 5. Here the number of toys sold in all. One short step I have made for both process here. Then now we have to find out at the end of the question we can see how many toys were left in the shop. Toy shop में अभी कितना toys बाकी है. Number of toys left in the shop find out करने के लिए क्या करना है, जो टॉय शॉप में कितना पूरा मिला के था उसमें से कितना बेच दिया है उसका टोटल डिफरेंस देखना. ठीक है, ये टोटल में से जो इधर सम आया है, जो टोटल बेच दिया है उसको माइनस करेंगे तब हम लोग को कितना बाकी है मिलेगा. लेट अस सी. नाउ 6 minus. Here we cannot subtract 8 from 6. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 10 and give to 1's place. Here 16 ones and 8. So 16 minus 8, we know that it is 8. Here we have only 2, and let us write here 2, and here again 3 and 7. We cannot subtract. So we borrow from here 1000 and give here 1300 and 7. Here we have only 13 minus 7 we will get as 6. 7 minus 5 2. So your answer will be, answer is 2628 toys. Here नंबर ऑफ टॉयज सोल्ड। टोटल में से जो नंबर ऑफ टॉयज बेच दिया है उसको माइनस किया है, तब हम लोग को आंसर मिल गया। Here is our second question. Let us read the question. A school had 8,283 students. एक स्कूल में 8,283 स्टूडेंट्स था। At the end of the session, 1,427 students left the school. स्कूल में से और 1,427 students स्कूल छोड़ and 2,381 new students took admission in the school. उसके अलावा 1,427 छोड़ दिया और उसके अलावा 2,381 नया एडमिशन आया। Then what is the new strength of the school? So we have to find out what is the new strength of the school. अभी स्कूल में कितना बच्चे बाकी हैं? How many students are left now? Now let us find out. Here I made the solution for you. Solution question number 2. Here first step I have given total number of students. स्कूल में कितना बच्चे थे? 8,283. और number of students left. Number of students left is equal to 1,427. अभी हमको क्या करना है? Strength of the school after leaving some students. तो अब हम लोग को पहले लास्ट क्वेश्चन तक पहुंचना है, तो बीच में अभी स्कूल में कितना बचे, टोटल में से कितना बच्चे छोड़ के अभी कितना बाकी है, पहले फाइंड आउट। फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्ट्रेंथ which they had before getting new admission. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to subtract the children left from the school first. Strength of the school after leaving some students. What we have to do? We have to subtract the total number of students left from total number of students. Now let us subtract. Here we cannot subtract, so we have to borrow from here, and 110, 13 points are there. 13 minus 7, 6, 7 minus 2, 5, and here we have 2 and 4. We cannot subtract, so again we are borrowing. 12 minus 4, 8, 7 minus 1, 6. 7 minus 1, 6. Now we have got 6,856. ये बच्चे छोड़ने के बाद पहले जो टोटल में से हम लोग कितना बच्चे छोड़े हैं स्कूल बीच में, now we have find out that answer, okay, by finding out the difference of from the total to the number of students left. Now what we number of new students, we have got the number of new students. Then what 9,237 students. There are 9,237 students in the school just now. Please check your answer once again. The solution from the total number we have to subtract first the number of students left. Then we have to add the difference with the number of students newly admitted, and then we get the new strength of the school. Here is our third question. These are the three questions you have to do in your fair copy from exercise 4J. This is the last question for this video. Question number 3. A factory had 9,315 workers. 1,423 workers left the factory in 1 year, and 612 workers left the factory in the second year. Do you understand? There were total 9,315 workers in a factory. Factory में 9,315 वर्कर्स काम करते थे, मजदूर काम करते थे. उसमें से एक साल में फर्स्ट ईयर में 1,423 छोड़ दिया और दूसरे साल में 612 छोड़ दिया. तो आपको क्या करना है? द फैक्ट्री इन द सेकेंड ईयर. देन हाउ मेनी वर्कर्स आर स्टिल लेफ्ट इन द फैक्ट्री? नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट? हाउ मेनी वर्कर्स आर स्टिल left in the factory. Now we have to find out the total number of workers left in the factory. Now first solution I have made. Total number of workers 9,315. Number of workers left in 2 years. That we have to add and find out the 2 years. The two numbers we will add. 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 4 10, and 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, so here we are getting how many workers left all together. 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 4 10, and 0 we have given here, and 1 carry, and 2 plus 1 plus 1 2. Okay, now what we have to find out? Number of workers left. What we have to do for that? To get number of workers left, we will subtract the total from total number, the number of workers left in 2 years. That is 2,035. Now we have to subtract and find out. 5 minus 5, we will get 0. And here we cannot subtract, so we borrow from here. And here it is 11. 11 minus 3, 8. And here we have 2 only. We will write that. 9 minus 2, 7. So your answer is 7,000. Answer 7,280 workers. Here is your answer. You are getting in that company. Now there are 7,280 workers only. From this video, 1, 2 and 3. These three word problems you have to do in your fair copy. Maths fair copy, and left all. 4J there are 7 questions. Left all I am going to give in next video. Then that you no need to. That is only for your knowledge. That just you have to understand that. Only this work you have to do in your copy. Thank you. This is all for today. Have a nice day.